Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is guys, if you guys haven't not joined the Telegram group chat guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.38 trillion. We're down 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, Btc Dominance is currently sitting at 44.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see some mild green across the board, but again, nothing to get really excited about as of now because we still need to see Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin dominance, to hit specific price targets for us to have some sort of confidence that yes, markets are indeed heading towards the upside. So nothing to get excited about right now. But today, guys, I want to look further into XRP. Alright, my XRP community, if we are looking at XRP's price right now, we are currently trading at 64.5 cents. We're up 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're also up 2.7% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $29.86 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $3.6 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for XRP, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 242.9%. Obviously, in the last 30 to 14 days, we are down quite significantly, but this is not only for XRP, this is for the entire market. And I'm pretty sure you guys do not need to be reminded as to why this is going on. We do know Bitcoin did see, a massive downwards trend for the price, and you guys know Bitcoin is the leading indicator. So when Bitcoin goes down, the entire market does tend to follow. But today, I want to share more updates regarding the SEC lawsuit. So let's get right into it. So the man himself, James K. Fillon, came out and made an update for us. So this is what he says. The defendant's request for SEC's internal trading policy is granted. The court finds that information sought meets the lower bar for relevance, including potentially with respect to the claim against the individual defendants. The document defendants seek in this request are relevant because they show how the SEC itself has categorized and classified XRP and other digital assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, pursuant to its own policies. The SEC treatment of the trading in digital assets, including any distinctions it drawn between XRP and other digital assets, is directly relevant to show that SEC's own perspective on digital assets, which is relevant both to the applications of the Howey test and Ripple fair notice defense. The documents are also relevant insofar as the SEC has argued that the individual defendants recklessly disregarded that they were assisting Ripple in improper conduct from Ripple Motion filed on June 4th, 2021, document number 2020. I believe this is a very exciting news, and it is in more of the favor of Ripple rather than XRP, and this is exactly what we do want to see coming as time goes by. The next coming months or so are very, very important for XRP, this lawsuit that we are seeing. So this is the timeline. If you guys want to check it out, this is how it looks like. I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys want to further read it. So next coming month or so is very, very important for this entire lawsuit indeed. But in my personal opinion, I believe this is being pushed as far as it can, and that is one negative aspect to it, even though we are seeing positive news come out of this lawsuit and in favor of XRP. But I believe they are trying as much as they can to delay this entire lawsuit. But let's see what happens in the next month or so. I wanted to share this with you guys, and now let's jump right into the XRP's price. As you guys can see, you know what, let's bring out, you know what, let's just look at the daily charts right now. As you guys can see, guys, we are right you know, below this level of support at this one at this 65 cents and 65.3 cents mark, and we have tried to touch this twice. We have tried to break it above 2 times, but as of now XRP is having troubles breaking above it. As you guys may know, if you guys watched my video yesterday, I did say I want XRP to go above this level as you know, as soon as it can, because this is where things will look safe, because right now we are sitting below this crucial level of support, and this is what we do not want to see happen for the XRP's price. You know, let's bring out the Fibonacci retracement level so we do get a better picture as to what possibly is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So let's bring this guy out right here for you guys. All right. Now, if we're looking at the price, we are still within this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for XRP. Like I mentioned, we would like for XRP to get above this level and gradually move towards the upside, possibly even in this 61.8, or even try to break above this level of resistance at this $1.18 mark. If we do bring out the measuring tool right now, guys, as we're recording this video, that would require us to have roughly 86.75%, you know, move towards the upside. Is that possible in the short and immediate term? It is definitely a possibility in the books, but we do have to be considering the Bitcoin price along with the BTC dominance. So let's briefly go over to see what Bitcoin is doing, and along with Bitcoin dominance, and then we can make a conclusion as to what could possibly happen in the next week or so. If we're looking at Bitcoin's chart, guys, I will keep this very, very you know, brief. We are once again below this level of support at this $33,200 mark. And if you guys don't know, if this is your first time coming on my video, I have mentioned that this is a very, very strong, you know, not only strong, it's basically a last sort of resort for Bitcoin's price to stay towards the upside. And you guys can see how important it is. We have wicked towards this quite a bit over the last 1 month. This is a strong level of support, and right now we are currently below it. We're currently trading at $33,000. And I personally, as I have mentioned over and over again, I do not like Bitcoin's price below this. We do want to get above this $36,200 mark as soon as possible. But at least keep above this $33,200 mark. But right now, that's not the case. We are sitting below it. And if we're looking at BTC dominance, guys, there's a good sign so far. We are starting to see Bitcoin dominance fall towards the downside, but nothing to get excited about, especially if you're an altcoin holder. We're still seeing a very high percentage of Bitcoin dominance, 46.75%. In order for altcoin holders to get excited, we do need to see 1 to 40% BTC dominance for altcoins to start outpacing Bitcoin when markets do tend to get into that green. So right now, we're still not out of the woods. We still need to be monitoring this Bitcoin dominance chart very, very closely for altcoins to have some sort of relief and you know, have that altcoin season that everyone is anticipating. But we should not be talking about the altcoin season right now until Bitcoin at least gets to $46,200 level, guys. That's where we should be having this altcoin season conversation. Right now, Bitcoin is literally, you know, on this level of support, this last life support. So we need for Bitcoin to go towards the upside and hold around these levels, and then we can have the conversation regarding, you know, altcoin season. But if this were to happen, let's do bring out this you know, a measuring tool, and if we do measure, if Bitcoin does have a 40% move towards the upside, then we will reach this target at this $46,500 mark. And that if BTC dominance does continue to fall towards the downside, let's keep this in mind. If Bitcoin dominance stays around here, then this would mean for XRP that we could possibly get back into the 61.8 very, very fast. That would be around $1 range. But if we do fall back down to 41% around there for BTC dominance, then we could definitely see XRP, you know, skyrocketing way faster and outpacing Bitcoin. But right now, like I said, we need to hit those specific price targets for us to have that conversation regarding, you know, altcoins outpacing Bitcoin. But overall, nothing to get scared about in my personal opinion. As you guys may know, I have been mentioning this for over and over again. I still believe the bull run is not over. We are seeing consolidation occurring, and we're seeing whales try to manipulate the markets, along with some FUD news coming around, because at the end of the day, you guys know we have zero control over FUD news, and this is why it's very important to lock in profits. So when you do see certain occurrence such as this occur, then you can either buy back the dip or use that profit that you have worked so hard for, and use that for your personal use, rather than losing all that profit because you were being greedy. That's why being greedy is not should not be you at all. And as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, guys, like I have always mentioned, and always mention it again, that patience will be your number one key to follow. XRP is going nowhere in my personal opinion. It has built up its credibility over the last few years since it has been in the markets, and this is why we are seeing the community being so strong. It has a working product. They keep on expanding day by day, and I do definitely see a very bright future for XRP, even further than this bull run. So obviously we do have to keep certain factors into play, such as this lawsuit. So far we're hearing some positive news definitely come out of that. Obviously, if this lawsuit were to get settled, as you guys may know, I do expect very massive rally for XRP happen after that. But again, we do need to keep in mind that we need to be monitoring Bitcoin's price, because if Bitcoin is getting lower and lower, then that could invalidate everything. Obviously, XRP is planning on going public as well, and that would obviously be a very historic moment for the entire crypto space, helping going mainstream slowly but surely, and that will also bring in a lot of hype as well. So there's a lot of exciting things definitely coming ahead for XRP, but we just need to be patient and stop looking at the charts 24/7, because guys, that is definitely a waste of time. You need to go enjoy life, have fun, because looking at the charts every single day will not get you anywhere. Trust me, this is coming from someone that has been in these markets for the last few years, and trust me, I have done this, and I can tell you guys that's pure waste of time. And just put your phone away, especially if you're in it for the long haul, and patience does tend to pay off. But again, only time will tell. But let me know in the comment section below, guys, what are your thoughts about this update that we did here coming out of this SEC lawsuit. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel tremendously, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you once again for taking your time out to come watch my video. Your support is greatly appreciated. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's update around here. Remember to stay safe, because family, health, and safety comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.